there. Oh, look at her. Do you need some help? Oh, there we go. Your legs have got to be getting tired by now, squirrel. Yeah? Hello? Hello? That good arm? That good arm? Push! Oh, she's standing on her own, believe it or not. She's pushing up with her legs. Oh, she's so strong. Now she's kind of scrunching down. We're doing our tummy time. Oh, here she goes. You're so pretty. Jocelyn, look at Mama. There. Come on, come to Mama. Come on. Oh. Okay.